Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, privacy glass, convertible soft top, tires, front all-terrain, tires, rear all-terrain. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.